How to fix login issues on Lyft. In today's video, we are going to show you how to fix login issues onto this app. Whether you are stuck on the login screen or can't access your account at all. So number one step is to check your internet connection. Simply check your Wi-Fi or mobile data, or you can simply switch between the Wi-Fi and data as well. Next is simply clear the app cache. For that, go to settings, just like this, then open general right here, tap on it, tap onto iPhone storage, find the Lyft app, just like this, select it, and simply tap onto offload app. After offloading the app, the cache of the app will be cleared. Next is update or reinstall the app. For that, keep on tapping onto this app, just like this, and tap on to remove app and simply remove it, and after that simply reinstall it back. And if all fails, head to help.lyft.com and contact their support. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to fix login issues on Lyft. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.